Hi, my name is Marty. Welcome to our Springfield, Missouri showroom. Let me show you around. So welcome to our metalworking department. As you can see, we've got a pretty well laid out area. You can easily walk through, check out the machines. We have everything from sheet metal working to lathes to mills. We have a welding area, a metal cutting bandsaw area. You can come in, touch and feel, see the quality of the machines. From here, let's take a look at our woodworking area. As you can see, it takes a large percentage of our showroom due to the wide selection of tools that we carry. We have, of course, table saws, band saws, drill presses, planers and joiners around me here. We have wood turning lathes. We have a full selection of sanding equipment as well. We also have a full line of accessories to go with these. One of the things our customers really like is this waterfall display behind me. And we even have a demo shop here in our location where we do monthly demonstrations for tools, and we can show customers various items. One of the great things about coming to this location is this large scratch and dent room we have here, large selection of tools. These items have all been discounted. Don't forget to bring a truck so you can take them home with you today. Well, that's our showroom. Thank you for visiting with us, and I hope you come by Springfield, Missouri, and come in, check us out. Our hours are Monday through Saturday, 8:30 to 6.